Hey everybody, it's Peter from the Kia Hyundai channel, and you may have noticed that there are a couple extra what we call guest hosts on this channel recently. Well, we are going to formally introduce Gabi and Charlotte. So here's the deal. Things are changing around here. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of a step back from some of the on-camera stuff to the point that in April, I'm actually not going to be on camera at all. I'm going to take some time out of the office. We're sort of looking towards next steps here, so don't worry too much what's going on. But Gabi and Charlotte are helping me, so I thought I'd introduce them. I don't know, I'll start with Charlotte. Charlotte and I have known each other for 4 years now?
Yep.
4 years or so. We've worked together on and off. Charlotte very much understands what I do. She's just never been on camera. She's been around my work. Actually, I think you were on camera when you were like many years ago.
Yes.
We had a little Rio. So there was a time there is a video of Charlotte from many, many years ago. But for the most part, you kind of see what I do behind the scenes. You have a pretty good idea. She can do everything I can do. Is pretty much the gist of it.
Better.
Yeah, better, which is why we're moving me. I'm being pushed to pasture. And then Gabi. Gabi and I have worked together for about a year now.
Yeah.
Plainly, Gabi is our top product knowledge person in the dealership, probably outside of me, and maybe in some cases more than me. She's the perfect person to have on camera for some of that kind of thing. And between the two of them, we're going to kind of try to find our voice through April. And the best part is, as I step back completely, they get to figure out who they are, what they are. So yeah, I mean, you guys say something. What do you want to say?
Well, as always, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed because we do have some wonderful videos coming down the pipeline that Gabi and I are so excited to share with you all.
Yeah, I think it'll be fun to introduce new ways of doing things and new thinking into the process. Obviously, as you guys know, this has been kind of heavily driven by me, and to be able to step back for a while and see what happens is exciting for me.
You're in good hands, regardless.
Yeah, we got this.
Yeah.
And then yeah, you've got some product knowledge stuff coming up soon.
Yep.
There's a lot of stuff coming up through April, including things like the new Sportage. We're probably going to take a step back from the live videos at least through April, just because they're kind of tough to do, and they're kind of a thing that I do. So, but we will post videos very regularly, as much as every day some days, and I think it'll be exciting.
It will.
So I have fun stuff planned. You can still follow me on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, it's Peter_Kia_Hyundai_channel. Kia Hyundai channel with lots of underscores between the words. I may start revealing some of what I'm up to in April when I get there. But the next 2 weeks, we're going to kind of mix it. And then April, and April Fool's is my last day, so we might have some fun that day. Last day on camera here for the month. So yeah, so there we go.
That's
it?
all, yeah.
All right, so remember, subscribe to the channel because Easter we're going to have a lot of new stuff coming up. And if you're looking to buy a car, every video we do will have a description. You can still reach out to me in that description. We may phase that to other people as time goes on. But you can still reach out to me. I'll connect you with our sales team. Obviously, Gabi's a salesperson here. Charlotte is not, so Charlotte kind of works more in a role sort of like me, as well as doing many other things here.
But you can deal with both me and Charlotte.
This is true.
Yes.
Yeah. If you want to buy a car and deal with these two as a team, they work together as a team, and we're just all part of the same team here. Brantford Kia, that's how we do things. So Kia Hyundai channel, have lots of stuff coming up, and yeah, as I phase out, have some fun with these two.
Oh.
It'll be good.
We're so excited.
Yes, we are.
All right, thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.